In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily call on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off you can open up Facebook app and then just get into a conversation with somebody. To do that you can tap right here at that DMs icon, and what that will do, that will open up Facebook Messenger app. Yes, in order to call your Facebook contacts you need to install Facebook Messenger application, and once you've done that, just get into some conversation, and in order to call that user just tap at that phone icon to make a call. That's how you can easily call on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.